Going on YouTube, Slow Car Repairs. Today working on this 2013 Ford Escape, and we're doing a drain and refill on the transmission fluid. Come under the car and locate this plug right here. Here's your driver's side CV axle, and right beside it is the plug that you need to go ahead and loosen up. So we got that loose already, and right here is your drain plug. So I went ahead and broke that plug up there first. So next I'm gonna remove this drain plug and drain all the transmission fluid out. And then at the top of the car is where you fill it up. Once you have all the fluid drained, this cap that you see down there, that's how you fill it up. So you're gonna of course need a funnel. The fluid that comes out, make sure you measure it, or you have some type of pan that can measure it. I'll be using this pan I just bought from AutoZone. On the side here it shows these marks of how much fluid is in the pan. So I'm gonna drain it all in here, and however much I have, I'm gonna refill it with the exact amount that came out. I'm gonna be using this Valvoline Max Life multi-vehicle. This vehicle calls for Mercon LV. So you go ahead and start draining the fluid out and see how much comes out. Take your 11mm, go ahead and get this drain plug out. Oh man, that's black. It's never been changed before, so that's a problem, but it's being changed now, so I guess that's good. I'm gonna wait for all this to drain out, and I'll follow up the next steps. Okay, so the fluid has stopped draining right at about 5 quarts. So I'm gonna go ahead and retorque this drain plug down. All right, so if you look here, it's kind of dark, hard to see, but right at 4 quarts. So we're gonna go ahead and refill back up with 4 quarts. A plug right there, you're gonna go ahead and take that off. And you're gonna need a long funnel to stick down there. So something right about around this length would be good. It's just a cap. You just pull it off. It doesn't screw, you just kind of just go down there and pull it out. Stick your funnel down there. That plug back, set it back in there. All right, that's done. Go ahead and crank the car up. Just go through the gears, reverse, neutral, drive. As you're doing that, once you let it flow for a little bit, once the car's running, you're gonna take this plug out and it's gonna start pouring down. And once it stops pouring, it's a steady drip, then you know that you're good on your levels. So you're gonna crank the car up, go through the gears, come back down here, open this up, let it drip till it comes to a stop, and we'll be good. We're good on transmission fluid. All right, so you see the fluid start dripping, so you can go ahead and put in that hex bolt, torque it down, and you're all good to go. Just test drive the car, go through all the gears, make sure everything feels right. Slow Car Repairs, like, share, subscribe. Peace.